Good morning. I'm sitting on the swing on the patio, enjoying what little bit of cool we're gonna get today. It's gonna be super hot, so gonna get it while we can. That's the perennial garden. You haven't seen it probably in a little while. Seems to have exploded a little bit. Here's the backyard. You guys haven't seen it in a while. We got fans going like crazy around here already. It's early morning. See, I'm just still sitting out here with my buddy. World's best snuggler. That's what we call him. We've kind of moved out here, actually. We've got, excuse all Dave's mess. Our chairs are over there, and we put up a king-size flat sheet, because, I mean, who's using those? We put one up for shade. And, yeah, so this is where we're at. And there's another view of the garden. Sunday morning. Good morning. Dave's just mowing the campsite area. It's another beautiful day. Very hot. Just brought some water up here so I can go on my hammock for a little while. I'm gonna just put the water down because it's getting heavy. Let's see who's in the ditch. Hi, ladies. Oh, lots of bugs. And blackberries. Hi, girls. Working hard to keep the mosquitoes down, eh? Thank you. Hi, Red. What's going on, chicken? You having fun in the ditch? Yeah. Lots of work to do. Everyone's working right now, as a matter of fact, but me. Hi. What's going on, baby? Oh. This is Red, for obvious reasons. Oh, yeah, you want me to snuggle you, I know. She likes her pats, that one. One in every crowd. It's like the brown one over there. The brown and red and black one. I don't think I've ever touched her since she was a chick because she just does not want that. Is not interested. This one, on the other hand, bok bok, give me the love. That's what she says. Look at everything. It's all wild now. Everything's pretty overgrown at this point. And because, oh, how did you get up here? The gate was closed. I think I know. Someone knows how to open the gate. He's handsome and he looks dopey, but he's actually kind of good at breaking and entering to wherever I am. He's like a 2-year-old that way, I think. You know? You're in the bathroom and they figure out how to get in. Same idea. Same idea. He wants to be wherever I am. Hopefully you can hear me over the lawn mowing business. Okay, I'm gonna just pause here. I just want to say this is a very spoiled dog. There are 2 of them. But this one in particular. Very spoiled. Okay, this is getting with all the blackberries again. Crazy. Okay, I brought you back here because when I brought the dogs earlier, who are behind me glaring at me, by the way, because I did not bring them this time. Point. Do you see my point? Mm-hmm. Guilt machine. Anyway, so there was a little bitty red-crested woodpecker back here, and I thought I would bring you back and show you, but also how beautiful it is. Right before everything gets really dry. To come back here with the whizzy whacker and whack these blackberries into shape. Let's see. It wasn't really bothered by the fact I was here earlier, so it might be still hanging around. See, oh my gosh, this is where we play with the dogs, right? So how overgrown and crazy it is now. But I fight back this area, my little wall I was building in the winter. Like, I was so funny thinking that was gonna help in any way. Because look, it's a blazing hot sun. And it's gonna be like 40 degrees in the shade today. I don't know what that is in American, but you can Google it. Let's see if our little woodpecker is still here. Probably not. That is a big dead tree. Oh, sorry about my fingers. That's a big dead tree though. Probably come down in the next windstorm. Woodpeckers are at it already. See, I'd started collecting sticks over here and made a lean-to, and then the blackberries, they just take over everything. Just everything. It's brutal. Yeah. Trying to show you a cool spider web, but I don't know if you can see it. Anyway, the time has come for me to go and swing on my swing. As long, of course, as Dave is done mowing under it. This, just a couple of few years ago, was all clear, and we had picnic tables in here, but you just really have to pick your battles when you don't have major equipment. And that is what we have done. We have picked our battles. And as you can see, we might have lost one. Woo! Crickets and snakes and frogs, oh my. Ugh. Here. This is the back field. Isn't it crazy? Insane. See, there's that willow tree. Unbelievable. Yeah, it's crazy. All right, well, I just got a battery notification telling me that my battery's gonna die, and I don't really want to go any further back there anyway, so I shall leave you. Have a lovely Sunday.